Hey guys, welcome back. So what we have is a work order for a tub drain not draining and also the sink. So you get a 2-for-1er. See what's going on. Oh yeah, it's backed up. Oh, this is going to be a good one for you guys. Alright, so we got a good one. These are our handy dandy forceps. Slowly work it out. Oh yeah. Ooh, this has a wonderful smell. As the old skid would say, it smells like a fart farted. Part of this other part of the work order is the sink. Let the water drain down out of the neck a little bit before we open it up. Oh yeah. Wow. Well, there's your problem, skid. You got a rat in the trap.